Hey there, guys, gals, fans, and pals. Your buddy JohnMegacycle here. Another episode of Satisfactory coming at you. Yeah, just did a bit of a loop with the train. I'm liking how things are going. Really liking how things are going. I think we've got something really good here going on. And I like it. So, you can't see on the map, because I don't know why the map doesn't have stuff on it or whatever. But we got some steel, or not steel, iron ingots over there, ready for pickup. And I was gonna build out quite a bit farther. Oh, bless you. Oh my. Is my audio not coming through? It isn't. Okay, hold on. Do. Is this an alt tab thing again? There we go. Not too sure why that was zoop, why that was on silent, but it was. I probably had it coming. Whatever it was, I probably just had it coming. There we go, robust and loud. Now we're gonna keep this heading a little bit. I want to thread the needle on some of these hills. And I think we can do that pretty well once we get lined up. Oh my gosh, Nico, you scared the crap out of me, man. No, please, not right now. We had all afternoon. Thank you. Please, not right now. Thank you. Someone was nappy and fussy, so I laid with them a bit and checked my phone. I didn't nap myself, and that's okay. I'm gonna sneeze right now. Oh, man. All the feelings all at once. All the feelings all at once. All the feelings all at once. Oh, because player in the way? Yep. Okay, so this is going to level out. You can... I believe in you. This is going to be a bit of a lazy turn, right? We just... Oh my god. Yeah, I don't have a power cable anywhere. What am I doing? I'm making rash decisions. That's what's going on. Come on. Thank you. Holy crap. There it is. Train track too long. A train track too long. I wrote a song while I was deploying my track, 'cause the track is too long. That seems like a cool one-off. Check out my country album, The Damn Track is Too Long. I'm a dork, but you love me, right? Keep telling myself that? Keep telling myself that. Okay, this gets moved over here. Leave my desk for 2 hours and the whole thing's a mess. Okay, so, what this is effectively going to do... Is that uneven? How? How did that even happen? Okay. Cool, thanks. What we have now is we have... one source? I only have the one source. One source of raw materials ready to go. Or I guess it's not raw anymore because I'm already turning it into ingots. We can get down. Thanks. What comes next is most likely a branch off, right? Let's do the branch off right about here. And this is where we're going to turn iron into a bunch of things. We're going to turn it into rods. We're going to turn it into plates. We're going to turn it into steel tubes. We're turning to a whole bunch of crap. Okay, so let's get some rails. 6. I think the way I want to do this is... Nope. That's better. Something like that. And something like that. That tracks. Ha! Ha! tracks. Get it? I don't. Something like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to hopefully find some snappy points. That's not correct. No, wait. This guy. Cool. Now that I think we have a better understanding of how this works, that was way less painful. Nope. Other way, thank you kindly. And I wish there was a way for me to just know, but there isn't. So I don't know. Because there isn't. That is correct. Okay. Not. Thank you. Now that I think I've got a better idea on how this works, this is much less of a pain in the butt. It felt like a giganto pain in the rumpus, for sure, 100%. But I think I might be getting a bit of the hang of it. So, how are we going to build this out? Well, we're going to build a little more out this way. I probably should have removed that power line. But effectively, I want to be able to use as much space as we possibly can. Right, so I built this big intersection over here, so we're not impeding with normal travel, but this is going to be our iron McSteelin base. Maybe I do want this. It's fine if it sachets a little bit. Nope. See, if I hold control, I'm gonna get some wonkiness. I don't mind some wonk. That sounds so weird. Ah, I could go for a little wonk. Yeah, holding control is a waste. I need... No. It's like right there, I think. Yes! Oh, sweet gibbers. I should have... Oh, okay. All right. No, I'm gonna refuse to learn any lesson whatsoever. Thank you very much. Okay. Let's talk turkey. I don't know why there's a thing on it, but okay. So, I can't draw on the screen or anything, so, like, kind of bear with me. This is how the train... Oh, my God. Okay. Whatever. This part is where the train comes in. It goes out, and it loops around. Well, we're going to have our 1, 2, 3, 4... Let's build 5 stations. And each station is going to be a drop-off for something, right? So what I might have is the iron ore drop-off over there, and then everything else here in its own little hut. So let me show you... You can drop. Thanks. Those thrusters are damn powerful. That's what they are. So this is going to be a line that's just going to get us out of the loop. If a train gets in here for some reason and needs to leave... Oh! A good example would be the iron ore, right? It'll use this line. And there you go. Now, I want to set up 5... I want to say like 5 stations. Sweet gibbers, I forget how big these things are. They're stupidly big. They're stupidly big. Okay. No. Oh, no, no, no. Ah, man. Ah, it's kind of where I wanted that. Does this work? Too close to a switch, railroad turns too sharp. Okay. Let's back you up a scooch. I almost think I agree with that, believe it or not. This is slightly bigger than... Man, it's slightly bigger than... 4 things. Let's try that. Hot damn. Hot damn. I think I might have something here. And now... Lock it tight, treat it right. Lock it tight, treat it right. This is going to come to about... there? This game is 95% approximations. I want to make that abundantly clear. This game is straight up 95%. I'm not sure if this is going to work. Alright, freight platforms. How... This is what I wanted to know. How is this going to work? Freight platforms. Nope. Oh, hold on. I'll hit the right button eventually. I swear to you. Is it... R? E? Oh, there it is. Now, I actually don't have enough room to stock. So that's a lot of what I needed to figure out. Okay, I do get a charge. Awesome. So this is going to be... We're loading stuff, right? So this is going to be industrial storage, very similar to how we have the other one set up, actually. I liked that. This is never, ever, ever, ever going to be receiving. Nope. Nope. The thing... What the crap? Don't worry about that one. Oh, I have this backwards. Oh, I'm funny. Okay. Something like that. Something like that. Mark 4. Mark 4. Mark 4. Mark 4. Now, your next question is most likely, hey, John, how are you going to get product out of here? Well, I was thinking... Smelter business on top, bring it on down. Smelter business on top, and bring it on down. Either way, what we're going to do is we're going to give ourselves a bit of room. About 4 meters. I think that's a little shy of 4 meters. Rotate. Rotate, thank you. Oh, man. I'm nervous. I'm very genuinely nervous. J-Migs, hey there, G-Migs. How come you're feeling nervous? Thanks for asking, old-timey prospector voice. I'm afraid there's something I don't understand about this system, and it's just gonna scissor kick me in the face and be like, haha, you didn't think about 90-degree turning, and it's like, oh, was I supposed to? Oh no, my whole system's made out of farce. It's made out of farce. You know, like, I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen. You don't know what's gonna happen. I'm a freaking wild card. Not a good one. Not like, Ace is wild, baby. Not like that. Just like... Huh. Okay. Good chat. This way's probably faster. Nope. Never mind. Oh, now this is a project, right? So now, oh man, you don't have any idea what's coming next. You know what's also funny? I have no idea what's coming up next. That might be the right height. Yep, perfect. Okay. Thank you. So we're gonna leave a gap, right? Like I said. Yep. Or 5 is then perfect. Let's see here. Constructor Mark 1. Is this the right corner? This is correct. Oh, I didn't put my little marker on the side. Correct, I did not put a marker on the side. Anyway, here's the idea with this. Boop. And now, I'll change the recipe to whatever. Right? Cool. And uh-oh. Oh, it's fine. It's 6 wide. It's 6 long? 2, 4, 6. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. How? Oh. This won't work. Wait. No, this is fine. Yep, this is totally fine. Perfect. If I need another one of these, what I'll do is I'll just pull it back, y'all, cha-cha real slow, right? That's the idea. That's the hope. That's the dream. I don't need the smelter. I need the... Nah. Okay. Constructor is 9. Cool, thanks. So this is going to overhang slightly to the right by one fibble-fabble. Oh wow, the blueprints align. Look at that. That's dope. That is correct. Now... Okay. So this guy right here, what's his damage? What he's gonna do is cry about it. No. You're gonna go straight right there. Take it. You're gonna go straight. Nice little gap, right? Oh, that looks so good. It looks so cute. Now, this is gonna be very simple, I hope. Level 4. There's some collisions, and I don't care. There it is. That's it. So this loads the first car, right? Full of product. If we want more, second car. But this is how this is going to look. Oh my god. I'm so still genuinely kind of nervous. You might genuinely be like, how come you're nervous? Because this could scissor kick me in the chin at any point, and I'd feel pretty generally unhappy about being scissor kicked. I don't know if anyone's like, yeah, man, pro scissor kicks. What the hell? No. If you're pro scissor kicks, cool. I'm not saying I'm anti scissor kicks. I just don't want to be the receiver of a scissor kick. Can I agree on that? Is that cool? It wasn't flush, was it? No. No, it was not at all. Right about there. Maybe that'll be a little bit better. I think that hangs over just a little bit more. I'm gonna go get some more coffee. My brain just shut off completely. I'll be back in just a second. Okay. Sorry about that abrupt pause. You ever have a moment of dumb and it's like, I need caffeine real bad right now, I'm gonna cry about it. I wasn't gonna cry about it specifically. But just like, man, I really needed something. I needed something. So, this is working out fairly well so far. Let's see here. Let's pick a recipe. We're having ingots come in. Let's do iron plates. 30. 60, 90, 120. No. Yeah, 150. 30, 60, 90, 120, 150. This will need to get duplicated. B for bright, of course. Oh, right. It's 9 now. Now, if you could snap... What am I missing? Oh, oh, wow. I'm missing a few things. Concrete, we're processing... rubber, quick wire, steel pipes, cable I'm out of course. Packaged fuel. Encased industrial beams is what I'm out of the most right now. I like how it eats up power as I'm falling. That's funny. That's pretty damn funny. Alright, let's go shopping. Lower. Lower. Oh, that guy just poofed into existence. Excellent. Okay, what am I missing? I have iron plates. Yes. I have iron rods. Yes. Screws. I don't think I'm actually even using screws, so I'm not even going to worry about that. In terms of copper, I could use more wire. Cable, obviously. Sheets? Nope, I'm good on sheets. You know what? A huge waste? Yes, because I can't be bothered.
Parts per...
I have to admit, having Ada shut up is maybe too cathartic for my own good. It's very good. It's very good. Okay. In terms of concrete, yes, I am hella out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Concrete. We have about 1,000 going in. There you go. Cool, thanks. That seems like a good start. I do need encased blah blah blah, so we're gonna go get that now. Quick wire? Nope. Voomp. It looks massive while I'm down here, doesn't it? Oh, man. Oh, man. So good. So good. So good. I think, honestly, the only thing this game is really missing is a mass updater. I have all these level 4 belts, make them level 5, right? That would be cool. Once we have the alcalated, aluminum. Once we have all the aluminum, alclated, clack. Is it the sound a shotgun makes? Clack clack? Is that? I don't know what's going on. Anyway. We have all the reanimated Sam and all the quartz crystal I want. Awesome. Since that's all level 4 belts, I'm grabbing a bunch of that. Cool. Next, rubber. Rubber. I could use a few bits of plastic, sure. Why not? You know what? Why not? You know what? Why not? Because I'm worth it, that's why. I could probably shut off our other train. I wish I could check power while we were in transit, but that's okay. Zoom zoom, mother trucker! There's a YouTube video I saw not too long ago, and it's a dude in his car. It's a compilation. There's a dude in his car, and he's banging on the horn when a train is passing, doing shave and haircut. It's really... I don't know if that's dangerous or whatever. Probably not, but it really makes me smile a bunch. I just realized I probably have to explain what shave and haircut is. Bump, 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 bump. That's shave and a haircut. Shave and a haircut. 2 bits. Is there something I can bang on? Dun, 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 dun. There you go. That's shave and a haircut. So the dude was banging on his horn. And then the train. It's very cool. Very cool. I don't know if it's dangerous or anything. Meh. I think somebody also did it with trucks. Just truck horns going brah. Truck horn going brah. A truck horn going brah. That's gonna overfill by 30 or something. There. Now we'll just have 1 stack of that. Rubber. I could use 1 stack for me. And then 50 goes into the thing. I'm not trying to be super exacting about anything, but if I can stash away some stuff, I'd rather stash away. Yeah, it's completely empty again. I'm not here often enough hauling stuff, but once we get the train network going, I'll just train this crap around, right? We're not gonna mess with any of this after a certain point. How much power are we at? We're producing 1.5 gigawatt over... I don't need the fuel array. It's fine. We're looking mighty fine. I would love teleportation. That would also be pretty cool. Any sort of quick movement. I mean, the tubes are great, don't get me wrong. This game would be insufferable without the tubes, I think. Oh, okay. I overshot that. There we go. Fastest point between two... Or fastest distance between 2 points is a straight line, right? I don't know if I'm going to have enough room here. I'm thinking I will, but I might not. I'm thinking that I will, but I might not. So here's how this is going to work ultimately. This is going to keep plugging in, and this is going to fill those 2 containers, right? We're going to add another layer up, and that'll feed those 2 containers. So as stands right now, zoop, zoop, 3, 4, 5, 9. This is correct. Always hit H. Always check your work. Never give up. Never surrender. Galaxy Quest was such a weird, delicious movie. That's all I'm really going to say about that. Let's let this build out for a hot second. Okay, there's that. Power. We're all hooked up. The only thing I gotta do is change it, right? So C, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We're at 15 times 30. 450. This goes how much zoom? Or 80. Okay, this is about as good a ratio as we're gonna get, unless I add literally one more smelter or one more constructor on each, which I'm not gonna do. So let's get that bright on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Wait. Is my brain broken? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, I need one more row yet. How did I get to 15? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 times 30 is 300. Yeah, I need another row. Lower, thank you. I like having this foundation here because if I want to change the blueprint, I can remove the blueprint, and then I still have this foundation. It'll still be great. So 9. You can hear me slapping that keyboard. Holding control. That's lined up. Hit H. That's our dude. Okay. Red means we do not have a recipe selected and or there's no power. Yellow means a recipe is selected, but there's nothing to do. Green means it's working. So even right now, with nothing know-how going into the nothings, that's how this should look right now. Right? Cool. This is a little insane still. Anything else need to get crammed into there? Oh, take 100 of that. You said you bake us a cake. You said your bake is 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 a cake. I'm not explaining that one again. Check the other videos for more information on how you're going to bake us a cake. So, this is all going to be just plates. This is going to yield 30 times 20, 600 plates a minute. Right? It's going to yield 600 plates a minute by eating... No, hold on. That's not right. We have 15 times 3. 45, 450. This is going to produce 300 plates a minute. That's what that's going to produce. Now, if I need to double that up, we double that up. Right? So 300 plates a minute, and then if we copy this whole business and flap it down again, that's 600 plates a minute. I think that's a good start. To ensure that we're doing a good job, what I like to do is I like to frequent what we have before and what we have new. So I can say for certainty we're producing X amount more whatever per whatever, right? That's okay. We can just feather it. Or we can just get power again. That's cool too. I need to go down a floor. Okay. I wanted to test that out. So we have how many plate makers here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 16 plate makers. Is that it? Holy crap. Yeah, you're making rods, you're making screws, you're making screws. Wow, so 16. 16 for plate, 8 for rod, and 14 for screw? Oh, yeah. So we're going from 16 to 30. I'd say that's a nice increase. I'd say it's a fairly cheery increase. Yep, that works for me. That works for me. All manners of sorts. Yep, I like it. I'm also going to want a tube, a zoom tube to come here. But this is perfect. This is a very strong upgrade from what we've had. Everything's connected and powered, and it is damn beautiful. I can't wait to turn it on and then cry in my sleep because of power bills. This thing fluctuates kind of hard. I wonder if every single geological source is different in throughput and such. So, just to note, I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna go like this. So, how did I want to do this? What I really want to do is ensure that if we have too much excess on any one line, it all bleeds down. Oh, this is the part. This is another part I wasn't super sure on. Okay, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to work on what I know I want. And then we'll come back and work on what I'm not sure about later, right? One of the problems we have with our old base is that the lines are dedicated only to one thing. So if we have too much or too little of something, I want the production to overflow and push harder. So what I really mean is we're limited really still again by belt bottlenecks, which I don't really care for. But ideally, if we have, let's say this is going to be rods. Hold on. Hold on. Do I need rods for anything but screws? Don't care. I do need them for rotors. This is still a worthwhile endeavor. Okay. So here's what I was trying to say. Let's say we're full up on rods. 100%, and we don't need any more rods. The problem is because rods aren't being made anymore, they're still eating up all the ore that could potentially be used somewhere else. That's really unfortunate. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to ensure... I'm missing cable. What I'd like to do is I'd like to make sure that we have resources elsewhere. I'm not going to make more. I'm not going to just fungineer more. We're going to go get more straight up. Actually, now that we're going back home, I'll demonstrate exactly what I'm talking about. Do you remember our iron setup? Yeah, go on. Thank you. Our iron setup is set up in such... I'll just say the word setup several more times. The resource production in any event is set up in such a way that if the iron that's being made right here is this iron ingot, right? Oh, actually, this is from there to here. Here's my example exactly. See how we're not needing plates? And how this iron's not doing anything? That's a problem. What I want to do is I want to somehow mix that if we need more of something somewhere else, more production kicks on. That would be cool. I'm not entirely sure how to do that, but that would be really flippin' cool. Really flippin' cool. Really flippin' cool. Flippin' cool. Flippin' cool. This is actually a really good example of what I'm talking about. Look at the copper sheets. Oh my god, I got it right this time. Look at the copper sheets. Do you see how they're not doing anything? I don't need more copper sheets. Some other process is stuck, and nothing is happening. We're producing no more copper sheets. So, this line of production would be really cool if I could push these ingots that are here into more cable and then to more wire production. If you feel me, you feel me, right? You get it, you get it. That's kind of the idea that I have. So when we move forward and build out our system, we'll hopefully build it a little more dynamically. Feel another sneeze coming on. Caught that one. Feel much better. Okay. I'll take that. I'm just gonna take... Oh, okay, doesn't matter. I'm just gonna take all the things. What I'd then like to really do is set up awesome sinks everywhere. This has to plug into something for like 5 seconds. I don't even think that took 5 seconds. Do you need more concrete? I'm gonna go grab some more. This is kind of a waste. Considering how little this is producing. Do I have drones? I don't. While I'm waiting for stuff to really get going on, why don't I clean up this process, maybe? This is still a level 1, clearly. For 60? Oh, I have 2 of them here. I'm changing my mind. I changed up my frickin' mind. Changing up my frickin' mind. Owner of a lonely butt. I don't know why. I don't know why that just makes me giggle. Okay, we're already at 300, 400, 517. That's a good start. I honestly don't mind waiting here 2 more minutes to make sure we have enough of this crap, because it's just going to be stupidly expensive forever and ever. Amen. How much wire, how much copper cable do I have? Nothing. 200, 400. Actually, can you finish that first? I wonder what process is upstairs that's still getting actively hammered. Am I out of wire? Oh, snaggle snaps. I am out of wire. This is going to be a very, very strong upgrade, I think. Yep, concrete's being stashed. Okay, there's all the cable. So now I want enough for me as well. What else is there to talk about? So yeah, the train network, right? So the whole idea is the train network is going to come from... It's right here. This is what I just set up. But it comes down like this in a line. I don't even know if you can really see my mouse. But it's going to come down in a line like this. And this is where we're going to come in, grab oil. And then back here we'll peel in, grab bauxite, come back. And everything's gonna be done in some sort of a central area. I haven't decided where or how. But just getting the materials together, I think, is going to be a lot of fun. In not a lot of time. In 20 minutes, we set up most of everything up there. The rest of the time has mostly been like a resource grab, which has been fun, fortunate. Man, I can't wait to have this number upped. Just straight up upped. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go do a run. I'm very confident we're out of plastic. We're probably low on rubber. Is that how you pronounce it? Rubber? Rubber bubber? We're out of plastic. Yep. We're also out of steel thingamadoos. You can have my steel thingamadoos. Still really happy with how far we've gotten with a lot of this. Cool. Just put it on the ground like a freaking animal. Why not? Just poop anywhere. Just leave your steel rods just anywhere. It's fine. Steel beams? Steel beams. So for the rest of this episode, I'm waiting on cable. I refuse to buy more cable. It was cute once or twice. I was hoping I could get a little farther on it, but nope. We're just going to stash it. This is my base, damn it. If I can't use what's inside of it, then I'm just going to give the base to the enemy and I'm just going to start over. Thank you. Thank you. Are you full up? Hell yeah, you are. Cool, I made that easy. Whoomp. I wonder what we're still making. We're probably making still some of those intermediary items. Or whatever. So we're going from 16 constructors to 30 for plates. If I add a second floor, that'll be 60 constructors for plates. I'm not making... Well, I'm making 1-1 trains for raw materials, I think. I think that's what I'm still kind of happy with. We'll find out. Give me 5 minutes for me to become unhappy, and it'll just happen. It'll happy in. happy in. Oh, I'm not ready for this yet. I'm not ready for that yet. How was that even a thing? Circuit boards. We're out of circuit... I bet you any money we're hammering a ton of computers or some crap. Rubber is somewhere over here. Oh, that's unfortunate. Do I need more rubber? Rats, I don't. And I bet you any money all these machines are full. Boo, and I don't have another thing up here. Ah, scribbles. Scribble McShambles. Okay, well, I know where I'm going to put this stuff. Go on. Very good. And boop. It's almost like a portal thing, right? When you use the momentum from one portal to shoot you into another portal, to just continuously feedback loop it until you have enough momentum to go zoom. To go zoom. Because I like to go zoom, zoom, zoom. Because I like to go zoom, 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 zoom. That train goes zoom. I go zoom in the zoom tubes. What rhymes with tubes? Always talking smack and disrespecting the noobs. Yeah. Do I give off that air of superiority? Because I hope not. My personal stance is everyone was a noob at one time. There's no need to be a jerk, right? There's no need to be rude to someone who's trying to figure out the game. And even if you've played the game for years, there's always going to be someone who's new, right? Another way to phrase it is we were all noobs once. Every single day. Anytime you can give new information to someone where they genuinely learn to think, that's awesome. Yep, that's a lot of fun as well. I will take all, and I'm going to pillage all of your systems. That was all of it, wasn't it? Yep, just about. That's going to bleed out pretty quick. Bleed out sounds gross, but that's what's happening here. The phrase is bleeding out the line. It can be used for... I've heard it used for plumbing, mostly. If you got an air pocket in the tubes, in the pipes, you got to bleed out the line, right? If you ever have plumbing work done, you replug all the stuff back in, you get little air kickbacks, same thing. It's got to bleed out the line. Foomp. Oh, whoomp. I find it kind of weird, after playing a game like Factorio and Factory Town, that the trains are going to be limited by 2 ports only. There's 2 out and 2 in. I find that kind of strange, to be honest. So for Factorio, what you could do is you can use inserters, and inserters pull items off of objects and put items back into other objects. The reason why that's important is there are different kinds of inserters with different kinds of upgrades that offer certain throughput levels. There's also research. I say research. Different levels of research and different levels of inserters that can help facilitate faster push, right? In Factory Town, it's actually instantaneous. A train passes a station and it either insta-loads or unloads whatever you told it to do. That's awesome. I get that's incredibly easy mode, but it's still freaking awesome. It makes everything easy. You're not waiting time for stuff to unload. Oh, actually, I think unloading is instantaneous. Loading takes entire seconds or something. It does not take super duper long for that to have happened. To get it done. I'm just trying to evacuate all this pipe. How many heavy frames we got? We're still waiting on heavy frames? I call bull. It must have just finally got caught back up. Maybe. Well, anyway, I'm going to go grab my stuff. Then we're going to go grab cables, which I should have hopefully several hundred of by now. Oh, cool, you waited for me. Thanks. It's going to be down a floor. So by pulling out our centralized base and identifying each function individually, right? Harvesting, one function. Processing into ingots, another function. Fabricating into intermediate objects, another function, right? As we're breaking all this down, it allows for, hopefully, expansion to be much easier. Oh, yeah. Okay, now we got some damn cable. What else am I missing? Rotors and motors. Rotors and motors are both going to be up a level. Very confident we're full up on some frickin' motor action, aren't we? Oh, those are stators. Wow. You never see stators in the wild anymore. I don't have any iron rods. Oh, yes, I do. Good enough? What does it cost for the blueprint? Oh, we're doing great. Perfect. Yep, easy, cheesy, squeezy deluxe. Catch me! Catch me! Yes! What got me? How? It doesn't matter. I don't care. I don't care. Okay, we are going to call this an episode here. Man, I think our last picture was just the train. And now we've got all kinds of cool stuff happening. This is going to be a project, but this is going to double our manufacturing capability and allow us to expand. If I need more manufacture, I add another station like this and we just keep her going, right? Whew, there's stuff in here is so big it's actually a little difficult to find a good picture shot. Picture shot? Photo op, whatever. Anyway, taking a break. Thank you all for joining me. My name is JohnMegacycle, and I hope to catch you next time. Hey there, guys, gals, fans, and pals. Thanks for checking out my video. I also want to take a moment to thank all my supporters and donators, and if you'd like to join up with me and game with my crew, all the information to get connected is in the description below. Thanks again, and I hope to catch you next time.